Today we're making spicy tuna salad using canned tuna fish. It's a pantry staple. I've always got some on hand. We start with the tuna, open it up and squeeze out all the excess water. I like to use the lid of the can to do this. And I'm using 4 cans of tuna for this salad. It makes a lot, but you can eat off of it for a while. Transfer the tuna to a large bowl and use a fork to flake it apart so there's no big pieces. For the dressing, we start with mayonnaise and a little bit of chopped cilantro, some lime zest and juice, some hot sauce and black pepper. Whisk it until it's smooth and set aside. Add diced celery, scallions, and jalapeño to the tuna. Mix it well, and then we add the dressing. Just pour the mayonnaise mixture over the tuna fish and use a rubber spatula to fold it in so that it's very well combined. And that's it. This tuna salad is perfect for sandwiches, wraps, even spread on a saltine. Enjoy.